Hello, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Trent Eric. Here's the very latest on Hurricane Matthew as it continues to roll through the southeast, right along the coastline of South and North Carolina, really impacting Wilmington and the Outer Banks. But that rain shield moves inland all the way up towards Roanoke, Raleigh, and Norfolk. Now down to the south, a couple of very weak cold fronts pushing through the Bahamas and one over South Florida. Now behind this cold front, we're going to see a little cooler temperatures, and all this is thanks to that flow around Matthew, which right now is still a hurricane at 75 miles per hour, and over the next 5 days, National Hurricane Center beginning to indicate that perhaps this will not make a second return to Florida, as right now is being absorbed in a cold front and a trough off to the north. So what we're looking at here over the next 7 days, very comfortable weather, very nice. Average high temperature this time of year, 88 degrees, will be at or just below that for a majority of the 7-day forecast. Don't forget, anytime you want to see the radar or the latest on the hurricane, download that Max Tracker app. It's free in the App Store.